Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Felicia and this is Style X Felicia, and today is another knotless braids video. If you are new or returning to my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when my next video comes out, and thumb this video up so I know that you want to see more videos like this. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how to decorate your knotless braids or just regular box braids with accessories. So I have these beads and I got this from my girl Ola, and I'm going to link her channel below. So I'm going to be using some of these. I have this cord, a couple other little accessories. I got these all on Amazon. I'm gonna link down the accessories that I got from Amazon, and I'm also going to link down the hair that I got from Amazon. So before we start, let me show the braids. Pretty long. So they start off at like a 1B, and then they go down to what looks like a color 33, which is like a dark auburn. So I'm gonna start by adding some of this gold cord. And I'm just gonna grab a piece, and I'd rather have it longer than shorter, so here is a piece. Whew, almost sitting on my hair. Okay. So I want to add one to this one. So I'm first going to bring the cord to about the center, and then I'm going to lay it flat, bring it up, and then I'm going to start crossing. Then with the remaining, I'm just going to knot it. So I'm gonna take the piece directly across from it, and I'm just gonna do the exact same thing. And knot this side. Now I'm gonna go on the inside behind my ears, and I'm gonna add cords. Okay, and that's how that looks. So when I put my hair behind my ears, you can see the cord peeking through from the inside and from the outside. The front two pieces as well, and then this will be the last place. Now I'm gonna open this one up, or I got this pack because I saw some really cool looking ones. So there's these ones, which is ring ones. These are the really hard to show, but this one is the snowflake. Star and a cross, the standard ones, and I'll just be using the gold, but the pack also has silver. So I don't think I want to add any more of the jewels. Now with my beads, I have about 24. I'm going to put them on just a few braids, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put them on rubber bands to seal the beads in place. So here's a hack. If you don't have a beader, you can actually use a bobby pin, and then you're just going to stick it down, face down, fold the hair back, stick it through the teeth, and then just pull it through. 3 beads per 1 braid. And then you'll have a braid that looks like this. So I'm just gonna do the rest off camera and then I'll come back. Okay, I'm back, and now I've finished adding my accessories to my braids. So I'm just going up and show y'all the finished product. So here are the beads. I put them on every other couple of braids. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when my next video comes out.